Okay, so WAN 2.2 is finally out. We have here all the models on Hugging Face. It's the first mixture of experts video model. They claim to have cinematic level aesthetics, complex motion generation, and an efficient high definition hybrid model, which has text and image to video in just one model. And this one is the 5 billion parameters version. They claim this one can run on a 8GB GPU without quantization. So imagine with quantization. So it can control the type of light, the intensity and softness, as well as the lighting angle. You can also control the light source coming from firelight or moonlight, time switch, so dawn, sunset, and night, camera angles, the shot size, the saturation, the composition. You can see in the benchmarks, they scored on most things better than the competition in the aesthetic quality, dynamic degree, text rendering, and camera control. They beat all of the other models. Except for video fidelity, it loses to CDense 1, and object accuracy, it loses to Clean 2.0 and High-Low 2, which are currently the best on the market. I mean, apart from Veo 3, I don't know why they kept Veo 3 out of this. There is also a zero-day integration with ComfyUI, so you can already use it in ComfyUI if you want. There's this repackage from the ComfyUI Hugging Face, and they have the models here, and you can see here the WAN 2.2 hybrid model with 5 billion parameters, full FP16 is just 10 gigabytes. They are saying you can run this one in 8 gigabytes VRAM cards with no quantization. So as you can see, they also released here an FP8 version for the other models. Here on the official ComfyUI website, they already have some workflow examples. So you can go here and see the examples for each model, also with the link to the files to download if you want. So what do you think? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.